Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're going to be going into Harbor Freight and looking at their Doorbuster deals through Sunday, February 20th. So we're just going to look at some of the different deals that they got going on from there, and then you can get coupons from here as well. And then here are some of their lineup of tool carts, which is kind of cool to see. So getting into these, so here they have a coupon for their pressure washer, electric pressure washer. $74 down from $95. They have a Braun 5000 lumen 4-foot hanging LED light. These are always nice. I don't have the Braun ones, but I do have LED hanging lights that I installed, and they're definitely very handy. My camera obviously adjusts to them, but wrong one. Definitely makes a big difference. And definitely helps with working in the garage. That is $18 down from $22. They have their multitask ladder at $100 down from $150, so pretty good savings there. And I am definitely in need of a more versatile ladder and something a little bit larger than what I have. They have a coupon for their 5-drawer service carts down to $220, down from $270, and they have all the different colors available. You will definitely have to check with your store to make sure that the color that you want is available. I'm not going to go over everything. You will be able to see everything, but I'm not going to go through all of it. So a couple of the PVC Folding Saw Horses, capacity of 350 pounds, for $10 down from $14. They have their 3-ton low-profile Super Duty rapid pump floor jacks in 3 different colors, down to $240 from $270. Battery charger, winch, flashlight, chairs, batteries. I used to buy the batteries all the time, but I was so fed up with replacing them all the time. Now, if you have something that isn't really all that important or isn't used a lot, these batteries are probably good for, but other than that, I can't stand these batteries, but they're extremely cheap. Next up, they have the Pittsburgh 2-ton shop crane or cherry picker, or whatever you want to call it, engine hoist, at $250 down from $300. Zip ties or cable ties, the Harbor Freight ones aren't the best. They do have some microfiber cleaning towels, 4 of them for $1.29 down from $3. Magnetic tray. Some of these items on here at these lower prices are actually items that you can get for free, or you used to be able to get for free. I'm not sure how often they do that anymore. Then they have their detail brush set. It's a 6-piece set. I do have one. I think it's hit or miss. One time I picked them up and one just completely started to fall apart. And another set I purchased and it's been doing just fine. But especially for that $2 to $2.50 range, you know, can't say too much. A little mini pick set for $1, multi-bit screwdriver for $1.50. Here they have the Hercules double bevel sliding compound miter saw with precision LED shadow guide for $335 down from $380. They have the Bauer 20-volt 1/4-inch hex impact bit driver with a 1.5 amp hour battery and a rapid charger in a bag for $60 down from $65. Then they have the 1-ton cherry picker for $200 down from $230. I feel like the price on those have went up dramatically. I feel like I got mine for a lot cheaper than that, but either way, they're still a good deal. Mine's held up very well. I've used it quite a few times over the last few years, and it's done very well. I also have a few of these V-shaped hangers that work very well for hoses and cables and miscellaneous items. So that looks like all of it as far as what they have going on for the Doorbuster deals. Some decent stuff, nothing, fantastic, but I figured I'd at least share it with you guys. I will have a video coming out soon of Harbor Freight's new tools. I do like to update you guys on those at least once a month because they are constantly releasing new stuff. So stay tuned for that video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below your thoughts on some of these coupons. And if you were to consider making any purchases at Harbor Freight, which ones would you go with? And if you guys haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.